Hello guys, so today is the day that we're unboxing the brand new Hot Wheels Exotics NV set. And on the back of each package you can see that they have all of the cars in this set. The Hot Wheels McLaren Senna, the Aston Martin Vulcan, the Aston Martin Valhalla concept, which is actually a new car to this set, a new casting. We got the 2016 Bugatti Chiron and the Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. So our first car to open up is this one, the Hot Wheels McLaren Senna. Now this one is really cool because it has the lights detailed on the front. Normally they do not have that. Then if you come back a little bit farther, you can see that they have the very nice nighttime background in the city. And this one has real riders because it is a premium. And let's open this car right up. This McLaren is going to be really cool because it has all the extra details that most of the Hot Wheels McLarens didn't have. Only the Hot Wheels ID one really did have lights, but that's not exactly a premium. And let's take it out now. Wow, that is so nice. So it's got looks like it has 10 spoke rims on it. It has the glass panel on the doors. And then when you come over to the front of it, it has this very nice vents here, the little two little lines, and then it's got those nice headlights. That's definitely the highlight of this car, the headlights. That thing looks so much better, so much better with the lights detailed. And this color, all the colors in the set trick your eyes so much. It's it looks like white, but then it also looks like gray. And the back of it kind of has the normal McLaren Senna look with the back detailed. So I think this is a very nicely detailed Hot Wheels car. It's definitely worth the money. Now, let's get to car 2 of 5 in the set, as you can see right here. This one is the Aston Martin Vulcan. And this one has a really cool roof. It's carbon fiber. Textured kind of. And it's car 2 of 5. And this one looks like it's kind of in a warehouse at nighttime with smoke coming out in the background. And I also noticed this, the color on the box of the car looks different than the car in the box color. Can you tell that? See how that color looks different than that color? And even on the camera you can't totally see this. This looks a lot darker in real life, and that looks a lot brownish. Okay, so let's open up this Aston Martin Vulcan. So this car is a really nice one. I love the Aston Martin Vulcan casting. But they did a lot of it just looks like a very nice exotic casting. And here we go. Here is our brand new Aston Martin Vulcan. This is the premium version. So it's got the carbon fiber roof, and this one feels really nice. It's kind of feels bumpy kind of a feel in it. Then for the rims, you kind of got these basic rims, not much happening on them. But yeah, that's nice. And then the paint job feels really smooth, and it has nice light details on the front of it. Small little lights down there, you can't really see them. Then the sides got your vent, and then when you come to the rear, this is a really nice part. I like this. You can kind of see those little orange lines coming onto it, and if you go up really close, you can see the light coming around right under the fin right here. That is the second car out of the set, the Aston Martin Vulcan. Now it's time to open our third out of 5 car from the set. This is the Aston Martin Valhalla concept. This is car 3 of 5. And it has a lot of this car's gotten a lot of dislikes in the Hot Wheels world because it's not very proportionate, and it's kind of a little bit of an ugly design, not gonna lie. So that's the Aston Martin Valhalla. It's got the nice city background again on it. And let's open this thing up. I mean, the car is kind of a cool car, but the proportions that Hot Wheels did aren't the best. I feel like they could redo this car into a much better looking casting, just redesign it. So this is the Aston Martin Valhalla concept. Just put this onto the ground real fast. So this is the Valhalla. Yeah, it's not very proportionate. It kind of looks more like trying to look like an SUV than it is a supercar. Come over to the front. Yeah, it looks okay, but it doesn't really look that good. So yeah, and then this vent on the side of it, I just feel like it looks really weird. Looks like it should go the other direction. Then they're coming to the back. I feel like the back of it actually looks pretty nice though. Just a little bit like too like SUV looking. And then it's got those nice little lights back there, those little dots. And then you come to the top. The top is the only part of it that actually looks like good, I guess. Well, that's the Aston Martin Valhalla. It's got like, it's a weird car. Hot Wheels, maybe you guys can redo this. That would be cool. But yeah, Aston Martin Valhalla. It looks like my one. Looks like the rim is the tires falling off. Fix that later though, don't worry. And then, sorry to say this, but yeah, we did not get the Bugatti Chiron from the set. I've been looking so hard for it, but we do not have it. It's my favorite type of Hot Wheels car. I found multiple exotics MV sets in the store, but I have not found the Bugatti Chiron yet. When I do find it, I will put it on YouTube, so you guys can check that out. I might put a link to it someday if I remember when I find it, so yeah. But we got our next car. This one is probably my favorite looking, just from like inside the box so far. It is the Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. So this one is in the green, and it has this super nice rims. Like, look at this chrome silver. That looks so good on the Lamborghini. It's got the nighttime city background, of course. This car is awesome. I love Lamborghinis. And just so you know, guys, tomorrow I'm going to a Lamborghini cruise with 50. We got a police escort down the highway. And we're going to shut down an Italian car show, so be sure to check that out. Okay, so this is the Lamborghini Huracan. We got to open it up. It's not going to open very easy. I got to squeeze it so much. Get it opened. There we go. Wow, that looks so nice. Oh my gosh. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan here. It looks so cool. So it's got the silver chromed out rims. Totally chrome. Those look awesome. And this is like probably like the 1 millionth release of the Lamborghini Huracan in Hot Wheels. And then the rear, ooh, we got details, and we got the little Lamborghini writing up there, as you can see. The exhaust, and then the side of it, I just love it. Like, look how cool that looks. That is the Lamborghini Huracan. It's kind of got this like sparkly green paint. And I highly recommend getting the Exotics Envy set. And if you guys find the Bugatti, you guys can let me know. Or if you guys like just know anything about this set or something that I didn't say, you guys can tell me. But these are all of our cars together. You guys can comment below which one was your favorite car from the set. And if you like the Bugatti the best, which basically is a premium version of one of these. Backlights, front lights, and it's a lot darker. Yeah, these are all the Exotics Envy cars. Let's put them on the side view. And now let's put them to the rear view. I feel like all these cars have the front and back lights detailed, which is probably one of the main things. And then, yeah, I got this set yesterday because it was my birthday, and I also got this Lamborghini Centenario Matchbox with the doors that open. So yeah, we're going to have some more videos soon, like we're going to be unboxing this Factory 500 set too, very soon. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a like, and I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow with the Lamborghini cruise, or some more Hot Wheels.